we are going to focus on renovation loans. I'm always being asked, what type of loan can you do to help fix up a place? And if you buy a home, can you do some changes to it, or can you get a loan that takes care of the cost of fixing it up? And the answer is yes. If you are looking to purchase a home, or even if you own the home right now, you can do a renovation loan. And there are two main types of renovation loans that you as a consumer can focus on. They are the FHA 203K and the Homestyle Renovation loan. With the FHA 203K, that's the one that a lot of people hear most about. And with that loan, you just need to have a score of at least 620 or so in order to make it work. It can be a 1 to 4 unit property, and it must be owner occupied. With FHA loans, you do need to live in the property. Now, there are two different types of the FHA 203K loans. You can do what's called a standard and a limited. With the standard, you can just go crazy with the rehab, full gut rehab, whatever kind of changes that you may need. Not a real limit up until just the county max limit of whatever is allowed in your area. And then with the limited version, you have up to $35,000 to fix whatever's needed in the property. Now with the limited version, you don't really need a consultant, but if you're doing something full blown out and major gut rehab, major redesign, then you do need to get what's called a HUD consultant. And we'll talk about that in future videos, just so you know how important a HUD consultant really is. Now, the types of repairs that you can make are very important. With the 203K loans, you can do what's called discretionary changes. If you've got some cosmetic changes that you want to do, this is perfect for you. If you are focused on health and safety, you need to bring the building up to code and you have some things to take care of, this is the great option. Making it livable, making it safe. If you've got structural changes that need to happen. Now, no luxury items, can't really do luxury, but it's what's expected. So this is a great option for you if you're looking to fix something up. Again, with the standard loan, full blown out, no max on the changes. And then with the limited version, of course, you've got $35,000 to do what you need. Now, the other option for that is the conventional version, which is called the Homestyle Renovation loan. And with the Homestyle Renovation loan, of course, you can either do it as owner occupied, meaning that you need to live in it. You can do it if this is your second home, or if this is your investment property. This is something that you can use this Homestyle Renovation loan. Now, the key is though, if it is an investment property or a second home, it can only be a single family residence. But if you live in the building, you can use it on 1 to 4 units. So keep that in mind. Now, with both loans, you do have about 6 months to get the work done. The timeline is set between you and the contractor. And this is a great way, a great option to take a fixer-upper and make it absolutely fabulous and make it your own. So if you've got any questions about the renovation loan, feel free to reach out.